Welcome to The Click. This is how to use operating systems. Right now that I'm talking to you, I am using my operating system, but let's see it. So, as you can see, I have my computer open, my PC open, and all of the things that you're seeing, the folders, the options, and all of them are run by my operating system. For example, when I open a file, the Click organization, this file, with the help of my operating system, I could open it. With the help of my operating system, for example, I can change the name of this file. And at the same time, with the help of my operating system, for example, I can open a Word document and write on it. So for example, hi, I am Shahla, right? And I type each letter for 1 second, less than 1 second, right? I click on the button of that letter on my keyboard. But how does my computer know that it should only enter the letter once? That is with the help of my operating system, and because my operating system contains some components to it that stops the work to be repetitive in order to do our work in the best way possible. So for example, I say I am using an operating system right now. And with the help of my operating system, I could write this. And if I download this, for example, I go on Save As, and I, for example, choose PC and I choose desktop. Then, for example, I need to rename it or name it, for example, OP practice, right? And then I save it. With the help of my operating system, I could save this. So anything that you do normally, any foundational thing that you do, that is with the help of your operating system. And with that, we're done. Thank you.